Hi friends, it's Mrs. Watkins again, and I'm just going to quickly show you a couple pages of this boom card activity that I want you to do on your own. So this is called Where is a Gingerbread Man? So I want you to listen for these basic concepts, friends, and then we're going to put the gingerbread man where it tells us to. So the first page says, put the gingerbread man between the people. Between the people. Does that mean in this box? That would be on top. We don't want to put it on top of the old lady. We want to put it in between. That's in the middle, this place right here. You can cuddle in between mom and dad. Okay, so you drag a gingerbread man in between and click this submit answer. And we got it correct. Okay, so we're going to move on. We're going to hit next. And just read the next direction. This says, put the gingerbread man under the cow. Remember, under. We put our hands and our toys under the table. So we have two choices, here or here. Which one is under? And again, you can pick any gingerbread man. Is this under? Whoops, it says that is not right. What if I put one here? There we go. So we can just go through the book and practice listening and putting the gingerbread man wherever the directions tell us to. And parents just really focus on repeating and modeling and helping the kids figure this one out. All right? See you later. Bye, friends.